guys, we're going to talk about in the money versus out of the money options. So in the money contracts, ITM for short, are strike prices that are closer to the price of the actual stock. So for example, let's say Tesla's trading at $700. In the money strike prices might be from 680 to 720. Those are strike prices that are in the money. Out of the money contracts are prices that aren't between those that I just said. For example, out of the money are usually cheaper, but they're still traded by many traders. They're more desirable for lots of traders because in the money options tend to be pretty expensive. Because in the money options have intrinsic value and are priced higher, they can be immediately exercised. So when you look at an option chain, you're going to see that a bunch of strikes that are closer to the share of the price of the share, the actual stock, they're highlighted. Now with different brokers, it's a different type of highlighted, but you'll quickly notice that this is what the in the money contracts are, and the ones that aren't highlighted are out of the money. Now what's the difference? Out of the money are usually more volatile, making them more risky. But in the money sometimes can be too expensive for many traders. When picking the right strike for you, I wouldn't worry a lot about out of the money versus in the money, more about the volume and the open interest and such. It isn't going to make a huge difference if, let's say, you're a few strikes out of the money versus being in the money while scalping. Especially if you can only afford maybe one contract of in the money contracts versus maybe a few of out of the money. It's definitely a smarter idea to go with out of the money. All depends on your capital and what you do. So the short form for these terms, in the money is ITM and out of the money is OTM. I thought I'd just say that because lots of people, that's what they call them when they talk about them. So this was a super short video, but I hope it explained what in the money and out of the money contracts are and what the differences are between them. If that helped, leave a like and subscribe.